energy rebuilt at the atomic level. Jianghui cell. It's never just a cell. Higher energy density, longer flights. High C rating, VTOL, instant thrust. Long cycle life, extended missions, reliable endurance. Wide temperature tolerance, uninterrupted performance. Under needle puncture, crush, and drop, no fire, no explosion. Safety is proven through rigorous verification. Jianghui cell, core technology, infinite possibilities.